করতে? কারা কারা ইন্টারেস্টেড ছিলি 11 থেকে ক্লাস করতে? You don't understand Bengali, right? Okay. Let me know if I teach something Bengali. Okay. So today's topic is posterior compartment of the Madhvi.
I'm listening to you. Afterwards, I'll ask.
So today's topic is posterior compartment of the arm. Okay. So apart from this, I think you have only one part left from the yesterday's class, that is the lower triangular space.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, we'll talk about it just a little bit later. So for now, the posterior compartment of the arm has only one muscle, that is the triceps. That means 3 head, long, lateral, medial. Okay. Along with it, it has only one vessel or one major vessel, you can say, that is the arteria profunda brachii, which is nothing but the largest branch of the brachial artery in the arm. Okay.
Yes.
You have to specify it, that it is the largest branch of the brachial artery in the arm. And also arteria profunda brachii will have some branches. Okay. And we will see one nerve, that is the radial nerve, along with its branches, which are going to supply the all 3 heads of the triceps brachii. Okay, that is the long head, lateral head, medial head. All 3 heads will be supplied by the radial nerve. Okay, so these are the things we are going to see here. So let's start with the muscle first. So see, this is the long head of the triceps brachii. Okay, this is coming from the infraglunar tubercle of the scapula, and it's coming out in between the 2 muscle, that is the teres major, teres minor. It's coming out in between the teres major and teres minor. It's originating from the infraglunar tubercle and coming down. Fine. Now this is the spiral groove or radial groove. Okay, obliquely placed, and this is the radial nerve. The spiral groove actually lodging the radial nerve and the arteria profunda brachii here. So this is the spiral groove. Now we know that from the upper ridge of the spiral groove, along with the some part of the posterior surface, but that is above the spiral groove, the lateral head of the triceps brachii is originating. Right?
Yes.
Below the spiral groove, the medial head. Right? Now the long head, lateral head, medial head, all 3 heads will join and will form one single triceps tendon that will be inserted. So this is our muscle in the posterior compartment of the arm. Long head, lateral head, medial head. This is the one single tendon that will be inserted in the olecranon process. Now regarding the nerve, we have already discussed that we will find only one major nerve here, that is the radial nerve, that is passing through the spiral groove or the radial groove, which is nothing but the branch from the posterior cord of the brachial plexus, and its branches will supply the 3 heads of the triceps brachii. So let's see the radial nerve. This is the radial nerve, right? And these are the branches of the radial nerve. See, this is the one branch that is supplying the lateral head. Okay.
Lateral and medial spiral.
Can you see anything else? Actually, this was supplying the medial one. This one. Okay, but it's cut actually. And but also we can, although we cannot see from here, but the long head of the triceps brachii will also be supplied by the radial nerve. Right? So the thing is that the radial nerve will supply all the 3 heads of the triceps brachii. Okay. Now the vessel. We have already discussed, we will find one major vessel, that is the arteria profunda brachii here, which is also running along with the radial nerve in the spiral groove. Okay. The same location. And the arteria profunda brachii will also have some branches, some muscular branches, some nutrient branch for the humerus. Okay, some muscular branch for the heads of the triceps brachii. Okay, but those are very smaller branches. We cannot see those branches here. Okay. Okay, but arteria profunda brachii is a short note for you. Okay, theoretically, so you have to prepare it likewise. So this is the arteria profunda brachii. This is the radial nerve along with its branches for the three heads. This is the lateral head, this is the medial head, this is the long head. This is the single muscular
Tendon.
belly of the triceps brachii, and this is the tendon. তার নিচে থাকবে টেন্ডনটা. Okay, that will be inserted in the olecranon process. Okay. So this is regarding the posterior compartment of the arm. Okay. Now we have regarding the yesterday's class, that is the lower triangular space. So tell me the boundary of the lower triangular space.
Shaft.
Shaft,
Shaft.
medial lateral.
Lateral.
Laterally shaft of the humerus, medially
Triceps.
triceps, long head of the triceps brachii, superiorly lower border of the teres major. Now I told you that this is the teres major, this is the teres minor. The long head of the triceps brachii is coming out in between to the in between two teres, right? So this is the long head, this is the teres major, and this is the shaft of the humerus. Definitely. Okay. So see, this is the superior border of the triangle is formed by the lower margin of the teres major. Here, this sine tendon. This is the medial border, the long head of the triceps brachii, and the shaft will form the lateral border of the triangle. So this is the space, right? All of you can see the space. This one.
Yes.
আইডিয়া করতে পারছিস? এই যে মাঝখানে এটা ঢোকাচ্ছি, এটা স্পেসটা, ঠিক আছে? এটা ট্রাইসেপস ব্রাকাই, দিস ইজ দ্য শ্যাফট, আপার, দিস ইজ দ্য টেরেস মেজর. সো দিস ইজ দ্য ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, অ্যান্ড হোয়াট আর দ্য কন্টেন্টস? দ্য সেম radial nerve and the arteria profunda brachii, right?
Yes.
Those two contents will again come in the posterior compartment of the arm. Okay.
Yes.
Right? So, regarding the boundary of the lower triangular space, the upper border is formed by the lower margin of the teres major.
Major.
This is the medial boundary, long head of the triceps brachii. The shaft will form the lateral boundary of the triangle. Okay. The contents are
Radial nerve.
radial nerve and the arteria profunda brachii. Okay. Fine.